Windows variants in both shape and function. There is a lot of consider for window design with replacement windows or windows for home undergoing new construction. For the first time homeowners who may not be aware of different window design styles, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I bring you home decoration and home design ideas. On this video, I am going to show you modern window design. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe my YouTube channel. Here are some benefits of window design. Energy efficient windows can be substantially reduce the cost associated with heating and cooling. This section on energy and cost saving illustrates these saving in both heating and cooling climates. High performance windows not only provide reduced annual heating and cooling bills, they also reduce the peak heating and cooling loads. This section on lower cost illustrates how the use of high performance windows can help in reducing equipment sizing. Cooled glass can create uncomfortable drafts as air next to windows is cooled and drops to the floor. Also, strong direct sunlight through windows onto people and interior surface can cause overheating and discomfort. This section on improved comfort illustrates how high-performance windows in different climates help make home more comfortable. High-performance windows create warmer interior glass surface, reducing frost and consideration. This section on reduced consideration illustrates the impact of temperature, humidity and Windows technology on consideration. Daylight and view are two of fundamental attributes of a window. This increased light and view illustrates how high-performance windows help to reduce unwanted heat gain while still allowing light to enter into your home. Materials such as carpet, fabrics, paper, artwork, paints and wood may fade upon exposure to sunlight. This section on reduced fading illustrates how windows can influence this type and intensity of transmitted radiation. Single-hung windows are a classic and simple design choice for any home. With single-hung windows, the opening comes from raising the bottom half for open air. The top sash remains substantially allowing for one-way minimalist use. Single-hung windows combine state-of-the-art engineering with a clean and classic design style. Bow windows are very similar to the look of bay windows designed by opening to a view with 3 or more connected windows. They share the same styles and are composed of the same window type to make the open shape. But rather than having angle edge where the windows connect, they round in a half circle shape to create a unique space in the room. These windows bring a classic design with a simple and minimalist style. Tilt-run windows are considered to be versatile in function while remaining simple to use. The state-of-the-art engineering showcase design style where the tilt-run windows can either swing in like a door. With tracks running both above the below windows, sliding windows open by pushing them into side. The very popular window type is also generally inexpensive compared to other designs. The sliding windows' easy to use functionality and durability makes it a popular choice for any residential home. This design also makes an excellent alternative to casement windows where the vertical hinge may not be practical. For a window with more airflow, a casement design allows for full vertical hinge. Casement windows can swing either in or out and are operated with the crank system. Architectural opening and access work with window manufacturers that even feature wash mode for casement style windows. One of the most common windows selected by homeowners, the double-hung windows, consist of two sashes to main over as opposed to movable sash like the single-hung windows. This functionality allows for either the top or bottom half of the window to be open at one time. Double-hung windows give multiple ventilation options while still remaining easy to use. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, then subscribe my YouTube channel. If you get any help, then comment down below. Thank you.